peaceful weekend where the whole family sleeps in. Unlike my calm tone, I'm actually quite impatient, so I open the curtains quickly. Since living in Korea, opening the curtains and windows has become my way of starting the day. Hello, welcome to Hanan's Sarangbang. This is the first video of Hanan's Sarangbang. Today the weather is cloudy and it's the weekend, so I'm planning to have a meal at home with my mom. Originally, I said that when I moved to Paju, I would invite my mom and cook for her every day, but as expected, reality doesn't go the way I want. Anyway, we decided to make Vietnamese spring rolls at my place and eat them together since my mom likes them. So I need to prepare the Vietnamese spring rolls. I have to get to work. I keep speaking in a North Korean accent. My mouth is stuck in North Korean mode. I'm not very good at cooking, but I still try to cook often. I especially like homemade food, so I try to make it at home a lot. Aren't you all curious about how I manage things at home? Or maybe you're not that curious. Anyway, I'll upload a day in the life of Bukate today. All my lips are swollen from North Korea, so I'll upload a day in the life of Hanan. For a while, I'll probably be confused and go back and forth between Bukate and Hanani. I don't throw away this bubble wrap, I recycle it. Bubble wrap is a bag, you know. I gather them all like this, and when it's time to throw away the trash, or when I need to wrap something, whenever that happens, now I have to cook rice. While Cuckoo is cooking the rice, I'll prepare the vegetables. Go ahead, Cuckoo. This is actually a coffee filter holder, but I'm using it for a different purpose. I didn't have anywhere to put the rice paper for now, so I put it here and we'll use it later. Now, should I cut the pineapple and the bell pepper too? And slice the cucumber too.
Green onions?
I'll slice those too. When I look at the neatly arranged dishes, I feel a sense of calm. The cleanly washed dishes seem to tell me about a day that quietly fulfilled its purpose. The gentle simmering scent of beef seaweed soup reminds me of the warm aroma from my childhood at my grandmother's house, and the white steam rising from the rice cooker always fills my heart with nostalgia, just like old memories. The warm steam seems to gently bring back the emotions of my childhood. Now that I'm older, I realize even more deeply that these ordinary moments are precious pieces that support my life. Maybe that's why each day feels even more precious and my heart lingers in every moment. My husband is going to pick up my mom and I'm going to bring the rice. Ta-da, this is a rice pack. So what's a rice pack? If you leave rice in the rice cooker for a long time, it uses a lot of electricity and the rice turns yellow. So I portion it out like this and put it in the freezer. You can also put soup in here and you can reheat it in the microwave and eat it right away. Let me introduce the flower pot in our kitchen. Isn't the flower pot pretty? What this is that after finishing the noodles, I washed and reused the container like this. But isn't it so pretty? It looks like a vase. This one is a strawberry jam jar that I washed and reused after finishing the jam. Are you asking what this is? It's for dispensing dish soap. If you press it, the dish soap comes right out. This is for peeling garlic. Instead of pounding the garlic, you just put it in here and squeeze and it comes right out. What's great about this is that you don't waste any garlic. You can just put in exactly the amount you need, like 1 clove, 2 cloves, or 3 cloves. So I think it's really convenient. Thank you. Oh, here comes my grandma, who's not very good at getting perfect scores. My mom didn't come for free, so what are you going to do? I'm using it a lot, but what is this? Detective brought a cake for Parents' Day, and since I have to bring something really pretty... Oh, thank you, Detective. Mom, you can enjoy dessert today, too. This is over 10 years old. I wore it for 10 years in China, but it's still pretty, with green and pink. But this really suits me. I don't know why, but the colors go well together, the way the colors look. That's why I love this outfit and brought it from China. Then this one also escaped with you, huh? It's an escape outfit. I've sliced the pineapple. I'm weak to sweet things.
Grandma, your grandchild.
Grandma, who would do anything if her grandchild didn't get a perfect score. Grandma, who's not good with whole numbers. Today, when I said I might lose my customers, everyone said, wow, that's cool. You have so many friends. They said, yeah, Grandma, you're so cool. How do I feel about it now that time has passed? No matter where you go in Korea, you have to keep your spirit. It's so wonderful,
To go have lunch.
I have to go to work, stay home. I haven't had meat even once yet.
Email poetry collection.
After you left, you didn't bring any meat. So we go out and eat together, maybe at a Chinese restaurant. That's enough, you know, 1 meal a day, yeah. So we go out and eat together, have pork wraps together, drink. And at home, no matter how much you try to relieve it, if you try to eat wraps alone, it doesn't taste good. And also, you keep listening to your stuff with Mom.
It's not like that, yeah.
You're right. Wow, seriously. In Korea, people really get so worked up over clothes. Oh, there are 3. Yes?
Oh.
That's cool. Since Mom likes it, Mom, please sit in the middle. Here you go. Sit here, please. Sit here. Yes, Mom, you like watching this, right? This one.
Look over there. The asparagus is so pretty.
Oh, our Kanghi is doing so well. Mom, enjoy your meal.
Are you eating?
Anything.
You can just put everything in.
You can just put anything in.
There's a lot of garlic left, you know, just slice it like this with the vegetables. Yukteok, you can slice yukteok and boil it. My mom's nagging, passed down through 3 generations, was sometimes sharp, but looking back, it's like stitching that's deeply engraved in my heart. At every turning point in my life, her words would linger in my ears and help me stand back up. I'm going to eat delicious Vietnamese spring rolls and take a walk around the neighborhood with my mom. Like this.
It's pretty with the trees.
Planning something this big.
The flowers are really...
There are a lot of flowers planted. Mom, you haven't seen everything here yet. Let's take a look. The flowers are pretty. They're so beautiful like this. After Mom had delicious Vietnamese spring rolls at our house and wanted to look around, when I came to Paju, I thought our house was the prettiest. But we applied it at Mom's place too, and it worked out well. And you know the walking path for exercising, the one for strolling? You wouldn't believe how lush the trees are. Yeah, it looked really nice. It's even wider here. Look at how spacious it is between the apartment buildings. When you look down from the house, the first floor is like a garden. People living on the first floor have their own private gardens, and you can see all the trees and flowers. When you look out from the apartment balcony, look here, living here. Where is this? If you go up here and look, you can see everything. The lounge. No matter where you stand, the pine trees are so beautiful like this. This is a maple tree. There's a fountain here. I think it'll look even prettier in the summer when the water comes out. Isn't the tree amazing? They've planted a lot of trees really well. When I first came here, they had put up these supports for the trees like this.
I was really impressed when I saw it.
I was touched, really. Wow, they really love even a single tree like this. In a place where people even kill each other by hitting the back of the head, when would they ever love a tree like this? Kim Jong-un is the one who kills people by hitting them on the back of the head like that.
These are flowers you plant in pots. You can plant them in pots or move them like this. Oh, they're pretty.
Come out here.
It looks new again when I see it. Is this a leg or a flower? This is a leg, right? Yeah. This big, bright red one blooms in clusters, you know? It's really pretty, and here it is.
The one that's here.
There are so many of them, since they're out here like potted plants at home. Look at how well they grow. These apartments are a bit different from low-income housing ones. So that's why there's such a price difference. Money really does make a difference. Money determines the value. Mom, if you think about it, there's a big difference between someone who gives you 10,000 won and someone who gives you 100,000 won.
It wouldn't be fair if it was the same.
Right? If it were you, Mom, would you be okay with that? You'd feel wronged. The flowers are pretty too. Haven't a lot of them bloomed in our neighborhood, Mom? There are so many. At first I thought these were azaleas, Mom. Yeah, I thought they were azaleas, but they weren't.
The kid's here.
If it were our Kang now, he wouldn't go to places like that anymore. We used to take him to places like that, though. That's right. It's pretty. The backside is so cool, too. We have to go this way.
This grass.
You're pulling out the weeds for us. Now that the village is doing so well, no matter where you go, there are paths everywhere. That's right. Now that it's been 10 years for us too, the trees have grown so thick that when you walk underneath them, it's nice and cool. The air is fresh, and let's go buy some coffee. Let's go to the coffee shop in our neighborhood. Let's go here. Thank you.